Did you know dental hygienists do more than clean teeth?
Open really day?
At Pima Community College, this is what you'll learn about the profession.
Dental hygienists educate patients about the connection between oral health and systemic disease.
They screen for oral cancer and oral diseases.
They take digital x-rays to detect tooth decay.
And use a 3D scanner to help with patient education and monitoring.
They treat patients of all stages of oral health.
They use an ultrasonic scaler
And lasers.
Dental hygienists apply sealants and fluoride to prevent decay.
And perform air polishing to remove plaque and stain.
Dental hygienists administer anesthesia for pain management.
and work collaboratively with dentists and specialists to plan out the best care for their patients.
Pima's dental hygiene program.
Flexible learning.
Time management.
And ergonomics training.
For career success and work-life balance.
Our Center of Excellence makes Pima the premier choice for dental hygiene education.